everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a different animation other than Wix. So that animation is different. It has its own elements in it. So it got something like 30 files. Like I'm going to show you how you can add. You can go to embed code and just click on Lottie. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. If not, then please don't get into it. Please ignore that. So I have added like this. Then these are the settings, plain loop or animation text you want to add. You can add animation text, whatever you want, do animation. Then if you want to change the animation, then it redirects you to site basically, and then you can then choose any of the animation, but you need to log in here. You need to have account here basically. Then you can change this. I hope you get it. Thanks for watching this video.